Ito yung araw po ng graduation. Ano, nakita mo na? Ha? Okay.
Para ba sa inyong sarili to? O handa kayo ibahagi to sa iba?
Sagorio, John Mark Lowell A. Adarayan, John Abel L.
At ngayon, habang tinakanaw nila ang bagong sigla.
Si Joey the Great, hindi ka pagpapalit, handang tumulong at walang
Good morning. Ito yung araw po ng graduation. Ito po sa senior high po. Sa national. Saan kayo? Wala na yung mga classmate mo. Sana. Sana yung mga classmate mo. Baka ibang school to. Hinahanap niya mga classmate niya. Sabi ko baka ibang school. Saan? Ano, nakita mo na? Ha? Ibang school yata ito. Napunta natin. Hindi niya makita yung classmate niya.
150 ka madal.
Oh, nandun daw yung ano, with honor. Saan ba yung ano? Saan ba? Hindi mo kilala classmate mo?
Hindi, may number.
Ah, may number. Dito lang siya, dito. Ah. Kumbaga hindi sa class, hindi sa ano. Or, ayun, sunod sila. Tsaka na. Magulang. Ha? Katabi. O, katabi daw magulang. Tabi tayo, magulang tayo. Tabi kami. Ha? Okay. Congratulations. Dito kami sa likod po, dahil mamaya lilipat po doon sa harapan po ng Freedom Park sa may bubong. So dito po nag-start ang pila ng mga bata. Para hindi po magulo. Excited na siya. Sa paliparan niya nag-graduate. High school. Kaya sasama siya. Tapos elementary. Bag-school din. Mula nung grade 1 hanggang grade 6, iba-ibang eskwelahan. Tatong eskwela. Ay, di. Sila ate mo lang. Sila ate mo lang na palipat-lipat. Yung dalawa lang pala, si Joy Joy lang at saka si Jong Jong ang palipat-lipat ng school. Pero ito, nag-focus sa isang eskwela. Mula grade 1 hanggang grade 6. So, congratulations. Tapos na yung paghihirap. So, ano naman ito mga kalingap pa diba? Amo na naman sa college. So, ganoon po talaga dito. Daming tao dito. Ilan kayo po sa?
800.
Ha?
800.
Dami. 800 plus kulang-kulang 1,000. Ako dito yun. Ako ko pa ng gabi. Malibre pagkain.
Ha?
Malibre pagkain. Po nagkape. Maga pala po mga kalingap, mag-alas 7 pala po. So abang lang po sa mga vlog po natin ngayon. Kunan po natin yung mga ilang ganap, mga importanteng ganap para kay Bunso. Biyahe na. Mga kalingap. Ubusin pa rin doon. Dami, kulang-kulang 1,800 plus. kami na. Lakad na kami.
Ayaw, di ba?
Baba na kami sa inyo. Kayo na. Lakad na kayo. Sabi niya.
Mga sa ano, pag tumatakas sa nagkakasabi.
Kami oh.
May picture yan po.
Ha?
Picture.
Picture. Picture daw ako nakapag-post. Lakad na kami. May libre pa ng tubig oh. Dapat may hapon.
This year's guest speaker, CNHS Senior High School Alumnus Batch 2019, Engineer Errol Baines G. Verzosa. Graduation rites. The entrance of school colors.
Ayun.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Talas ng silanganan, hanap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay.
Ang isang hangwan, awan mo'y
In you alone, we pray and submit ourselves, for we are nothing without you. We humbly ask for your forgiveness and mercy. Dear Lord, we gather here today with the intent of doing good in thy name. Guide us to the right path. May our efforts be blessed with insight, understanding, wisdom, and respect for all. May our deep faith in you give us strength to act honestly and well in all matters before us. Amen. DepEd Quality Policy Statement. The Department of Education is committed to provide learners with quality basic education that is accessible, inclusive, and liberating through proactive leadership, shared governance, evidence-based policies, standards, and programs, responsive
Words that I hope will strike a chord in your hearts today. Because this isn't just a ceremony. No. This is our story of late nights and early mornings, of failures that taught us and victories that shaped us. It is not the cap or gown that defines this day. It's the grit, the grace, and the growth that brought us here. We've climbed our fair share of mountains to get to this stage. Some big, some quiet, and some invisible. We put our passions on pause, pushed through exhaustion, weathered the drama, and silenced the inner voice that whispered, "You can," only to rise the next day and showed up anyway. I've come to believe this. Even when people say the work is done, I won't never stop. As long as there's
2025, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our learners, teachers, school staff, parents, and partners who have been part of the shared journey. This year's theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay ng Bagong Pilipinas, inspires them to strive for more. To our students, you are the heart of everything we do. Your dreams fuel our drive to make education better and more inclusive. And to our graduates and completers of school year 2024-2025, congratulations. You are the generation that binds all of us together. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, bring with you the values of perseverance, resourcefulness, and compassion that define us as Filipinos. As we move forward, DepEd, under the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., remains committed to raising the quality of education, strengthening governance, and ensuring that our youth reach their full potential. With an unyielding commitment to equity, we will build a stronger, more inclusive education system ng bagong Pilipinas. Coming from our DepEd Secretary, Honorable Sani Angara.
The reading of the original director's message, Ma'am Ruth Capas, the Carmen 3 District Supervisor.
Good morning, everyone. May I read to you the message of our regional director. The youth today are the leaders of tomorrow. This is according to Nelson Mandela. As we celebrate the achievements of our graduates today, these words by Nelson Mandela feel especially relevant. You, the young people of today, are the ones who will shape the future of our country. With the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay ng Bagong Pilipinas, it's clear that this moment marks the start of a journey.
So, 800 plus ang mga bata po na graduate po ngayong taon.
A master teacher. From his early years, he has exemplified excellence, graduating with honors in both elementary and high school. He pursued his passion for building and design at the University of Eastern Philippines, where he completed his Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering and successfully passed the civil
Thank you, Ma'am Lily, for the introduction. My respect to Sir Jan, the representative here today, the Ma'am Ruth Cabas, the district supervisor, the teaching and non-teaching personnel, guests, the proud parents here today, the graduates, and here everyone present in this ceremony, good morning. Before I begin, I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude to Sir John and the entire Katarman Senior High School family for extending this invitation to me. It is an incredible honor and humbling privilege to be here today, celebrating such day in this lives of these bright young graduates. Being part of these special events fills me with great joy and pride. O mga group project, kahit man kayo ay meron sakit. Pero kahit ganun pa man, lumaban kayo at nandito ngayon sa seremonyang ito. Tawanan ang mga stress, umiyak minsan, pero bumangon din kayo. So sa mga long commutes at financial struggles, para sa mabalance lang yung schooling at part-time para sa iba naman o responsibilidad sa mga pamilya ninyo. Your journey has not been easy, but yet you made it all. So pwede na kayong Ito ang kwento ng bawat Pilipino, masipag, matatag at may puso. At sa pagbalik tanaw, dito natin na mas na-share kung gaano tayo naging matatag at nandito ngayon. Ngayon, tanong ko sa inyong mga sarili, what direction do you want to face next? Baka sa iba, meron ng mga course na nasa isip nyo at gustong i-pursue. Yung iba naman is parang nagdadalawang isip o wala pa din mga gustong puntahan sa mga college ninyo. Pero okay lang yan. Isa din ako sa mga graduate din noon, back way 2019 na hindi ko din alam yung kukunin kong course ng college. Dami kong nasa isip kukunin more on sa technology, pero I end up in engineering. Yung naisip ko lang dati is noon is makakuha ng pangarap or course na magkakaroon ng magandang direction at purpose ng buhay ko. And that's what orientation is. It's not always about the specific job na kukunin nyo. It's all about your values and purpose in your life. And as a member of generation that seeks unity, your orientation isn't about where you're going, it's about why you're doing there and why you're bringing with you. So let's talk about action. The thing that turns dreams into change. So action always means doing something big. Pwede as simple as pagbulig sa inyong mga kaklase, standing up kung ano yung dapat, or choosing to care with no one else does. Yung totoong pagbabago ay nagsisimula sa mga maliliit na bagay. Consistent steps, and you have the power to take them. So, meron akong tanong, sino gusto ng pera? Anyone? Anyone? So ngayon, bago ko ibigay, meron akong katanungan. Para ba sa inyong sarili to? O handa kayo ibahagi ito sa iba? So it's a very difficult question in this life. Sa pagtatapos nyo ngayon, hindi lang ang sarili ay dapat isalang-alang. Ang tunay na yaman ay nasa kung paano nyo gamitin ang iyong mga natutunan ngayon para sa ikabuti ng nakakarami. Ang tunay na bahagi ng iyong edukasyon ay nakasalalay kung paano nyo ibahagi sa komunidad at sa bansa natin. ang inyong henerasyon ng pagkakaisa ay nagsisimula sa action. One step by step, di ba? Sinabi ko na, one step by step is still matter. Sa pag-aalaga, pagtulong at pagiging bukas sa iba. So, let's be real. Doesn't always move in a straight line direction. Some will succeed early. So, merong mga sa college, pag-abot niyo doon is merong mga bagay na ma-encounter nyo na it will take years to accomplish college sa iba. Some of you will succeed and others might stumble, switch paths, and start over. So, na-feel ko ni dati,
Governor of Northern Summer for imparting his invaluable wisdom and passion, transcending his remarkable work in government service, which installed a sense of purpose, hope, and ambition resonating within the hearts of the graduating class of 2025 as the commencement speaker of the 10th graduation ceremony of Katarman National High School, given this 15th day of April 2025 at the Katarman Freedom Park Covered Court, Katarman, Northern.
Business Enterprise Simulation Award and Conduct Award. Saborto Jenny D. Award for Business Enterprise Simulation and Conduct Award. Saborto Jenny D. Award for Business Enterprise Simulation and Conduct Award. Sakayan Harold C. Work Immersion and Conduct Awarding.
G. Award for Business Enterprise Simulation. Sabolio John Mark Lowell A. Award for Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts. Business Enterprise Simulation. Award for Journalism. Conduct Award. Serrano Nicole G. Tito Kiara Irene A. Award for Business Enterprise Simulation Conduct Award. Tobiaso Marielle Claire L. Award for Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts. Leadership Awardee. Award for Performance in
malapit na kami.
Mathematics. Award for Journalism.
May award daw siya. Ano award mo?
With honors, Abawag Romulan M.
May award siya, may award.
Adalayan John Lopel L. Adlawan Jack Noel B. Adlawan Joshua C. Agonias Cedric John C. Conduct Award. Aguilando Zaibol Serena M. Conduct Award. Aguilando Wendy. Aliker Princess Louise B. Award for Outstanding Performance in Computer System Servicing. Award for Work Immersion. Alterado Carl Andy A. Award for Outstanding Performance.
Ling Ling Manor T Award for Business Enterprise Simulation. Loberiano Althea May Y.
Villanueva Adrian M. Zabala Christian Chito B. Award for Outstanding Performance in Athletics. Award for Work Immersion. Conduct Award. Provincial Meet Players. Sepak Takraw. Zantiga A1 Paul C. Grade 12 STEM Diamond. Romines Blessed Grace Valles.
Advisor, Ma'am January Lynn V. Alupes.
Grade 12 Rupi Marino Romeo Jr. Solidario.
Advisor, Ma'am Mary.
Carias Jemery S. Lutao April Apple Eve. Bandilo Mark H. Benicisto Julian J. G. Award for Work Immersion Conduct Award.
Hindi po kami nakiagi.
Junior. Sir, the District Supervisor, Ma'am Ruth B. Capas, Ma'am, the Assistant School Division Superintendent, Dr. Ray F. Bulawan. Sir, the SGOD Chef, Sir Noe Hermosillo. Sir, the School Principal, Dr. John L. De Lorino. Sir, the Assistant School Principal, Ma'am Lani B. Villamar. Ma'am, good morning. The grade 12 level chair, Ma'am Merly P. Imperial. Ma'am, teachers and non-teaching staff, guests and visitors, parents, and the graduates of class 2025, good morning. Let me take a moment to express my sincerest appreciation to all of you present here today. It is a humbling privilege to address you as a class valedictorian representative batch of 2025. This speech took a while, not because I did not know what to say, but because I had to confront my truth. I did not want to just deliver a speech. I wanted to bleed honesty in this moment. I wanted to honor the silent battles many of us have faced.
And raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the senior high school graduates of Catarman National High School, do hereby pledge our love and loyalty to the alma mater, her standards and traditions, to cherish her ideals and teachings, to do our duty to God, to our fellow men and to our country, to the best of our ability, wherever we may be. We shall make ourselves ever true and worthy sons and daughters of Catarman National High School.
attendance of our teachers in the junior high school department. Kompleto ba ba mo? Department heads? Andi ba aron pa to sa luyo? Kasi mayang sila task. Punta, kompleto pa ka. How about you, subject group heads? Senior high school department, paki-check sa attendance yung teachers. A little later, I will be presenting our state of the school address. Dapat aram niyo ini. It is just right and befitting for all of you to express in public your being grateful to all of the people that are surrounding us at this very point in time. So harap po sa kanan at malakas po natin sabihin na maraming salamat po. Harap sa kanan. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Maraming salamat po. Harap sa kanan ulit, doon sa likod. Adi yung mga kag-anak kinakatanan. Say maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Harap ulit sa kanan. Sambitin ulit ang maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Harap po sa harap. We have here our division personnel. In the name of our school's division superintendent, represented by our assistant school's division superintendent, Sir Ray Bulawan. We also have here the SGOD chief, Sir Nue. We have here the district head of Katarman 3. Lahat ng teachers nandito, lahat ng employees, lahat ng department heads and subject group heads of Katarman National High School, pasalamatan ta gihapon sira. Dako, kulaog, gihapon ng maraming salamat. At hangad gihapon sa taas, labaw sa natanan. Tuluha, maraming salamat po. You may now take your seats. Nakakawarat ang lay actually, makabati. And respect to the school's division superintendent of Northern Samar, Dr. Gaudicio C. Alhibe, who is now represented by our assistant school's division superintendent, Sir Ray Bulawan, the SGOD chief, Sir Nue Hermosilla, Ma'am Ruth, our Katarman 3 district head, Ma'am Lenny Villamar, our assistant school principal, and our guest of honor today, Engineer Earl Bean Versosa, our grade 11 chairperson in grade 12, Ma'am Merly Imperial, to all the teachers and our non-teaching staff, guests and visitors, parents, the graduates of class 2025, harari na po mag-alas 12, so good morning lagi hapon. As I stand before you today, I can't help but reflect on the journey we've walked together over the past few years. This, technically, my second year as the principal of Katarman National High School, the biggest public secondary school there is in Northern Samar, has been nothing short of transformative, not only for our school, but also for me, personally and professionally. It's been a roller coaster of growth and learning. And if I were to sum up my experience, I'd say this: I have grown both as a leader and as a person. The challenges we faced with my teachers and other stakeholders were the very winds that helped me fortify my footing, as this prepared me to face the odds head-on.
Hindi alam na ang mga pasilyo ng paaralan ay magiging tahanan. Sa bawat tawanan, sa bawat aral at sa bawat pagsubok, natutunan nilang mangarap, magsikap at magtagumpay. Minsan sila'y nadapa, ngunit palaging bumabangon. At ngayon, habang tinatanaw nila ang bagong simula, mananatili sa kanilang puso ang mga alaala ng mga sandaling ito. Hindi ito katapusan ng kanilang kwento, kundi simula ng bagong paglalakbay. Kaya't habang binabalikan natin ang mga alaala, tandaan natin, nagsisimula pa lamang sila. Ito ang kanilang panahon. Ito ang kanilang kwento.
Kain muna kami. Gutom. Dito tayo, dito.
After Central is
Kain kami dito mga kalingap. Wala kami panghanda. Tayo kain. Kain na po. Grabe ang agad. Ano oras ka nagising? Ano oras ka nagising? Agad nagising. Mango Graham. Mga kalingap, nandito na po kami. Ang init, grabe, sobra. So, ayun, nais ko lang magpasalamat po doon sa mga tumangkilik sa atin, sa mga sumubaybay po sa atin, sa mga nagbigay ng baon kay Bunso habang nag-aaral. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-share po sa akin. Meron po nag-share tungkol po doon sa gamit sa eskwelahan, sa sa uniforme. So, maraming salamat. Alam niyo po ninyo kung sino kayo at alam ko na ikaw yan. So, maraming salamat sa iyo sa inyo po patuloy ng suporta. So, sabi ko nga kanina, yun yung masarap sa pakiramdam na nakita natin yung resulta sa kabila ng ating pag-ahatid sundo sa ating mga anak. So ngayon, at dadako tayo sa mas malaking hamon, no, sa college. Sana yung mga sa akin, nagsuporta dito sa senior high, hanggang sa high school, sana hanggang college na dyan kayo. So maraming salamat sa mga advice po ninyo, sa mga nagpalakas ng loob sa akin. No, thank you so much po. Yan. Siyempre mga kalingap, tulad ng sinasabi ko lagi sa aking vlog, at lubusan po ako nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon Diyos. Siya po yung may gawa ng lahat ng ito, kung bakit po ako nandito, kung bakit po ako nasaan ngayon. Siyempre sa ating founder po kay Kuya Bal at Ina Kalingap Rab, maraming salamat. Ang team po The Great Team Moreno, siyempre sa pamuno po ni Joey The Great, ang ating deputy na Condoriansky TV, Nelson TV Official at Limix TV. Pa-support po sa lahat po ng ating partners, family, sponsors. Kanina pa po nagre-run dyan sa gilid po nating screen. Thank you so much po. At pasalamat ako na sa iyo, Manay. Maraming salamat po. Ate Big Jones, Marcelina, thank you so much. At syempre, walang iba, nagpapasalamat ako kay Ate Myrna. Thank you. Ate Alma, maraming salamat. Yan, Ate Nelly, Sir Larry, shout out po. Thank you so much po, mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Okay, Ate Amor, maraming salamat po. Ate Christina Sherbo, Kuya Raul, maraming salamat lahat na po sa inyo. Thank you so much po. Lahat po lang umabot hanggang dito sa dulo ng ating video, sa ating premiere. Shout out po sa inyo. Maraming salamat. God bless. Mag-ingat po. Love you all. Thank you so much.
Tayo'y magkaisa, tayo'y magtulungan. Dala ang pag-ibig at malasaki para sa kapanahan natin nangangailangan. Sama-sama tayo magbigay ng saya.